So I finally found my whiteboard that I last wrote on in August 2019, and I just want to share some things that I wrote down back then and maybe how some things have changed. So up here, we've got a quote from one of my first clients that said, "This is amazing, it is changing my life." And I remember writing this down. It was such an amazing moment for me in the coaching that we finally were able to help just one student start taking action and responsibility. So that's that quote there. I've got here the reason why. When I first started, I read Simon Sinek's book, all about finding your why, finding your passion, finding your purpose. If you haven't read this book, The Reason Why, then go and check it out. It's an unbelievable read. Down here I've got, you can see this, you are not your business. I think I wrote this because when you're starting out and you're on your own, it can feel like you are your business and the business is you. And I wrote this down as a reminder that I am still Sam Moynier, I'm not just Student Breakthrough, and having that different line. What else have we got in here? My two favourite questions, which is what can I learn from this? And how can I use this knowledge? And engaging that failure is a blessing. And don't get me wrong, the first 18 months of this business have been non-stop failure, but learning with that. Not just failing, actually bouncing back from it and constantly learning. What we've got here, let's have a look. This great quote from Daniel Priestley. You might be able to see this. It says, "I'm already standing on a mountain of value. My story is valuable, my experience is unique, and I'm highly valuable as I am. All of my future learnings will come from the process of creative output." I love this quote so much. I meet so many people who are like maybe people, or they might want to do something, they don't feel experienced enough, they're going to get everything perfect. I'm telling you now, if you're watching this, you have experience. You are already standing on a mountain of value, and you can share that with the world to help other people. And then lastly, we've got some things on how we can grow Student Breakthrough, which is really cool. And what we've really focused in on is actually a bit of all of these, but mainly training teachers to deliver the program in schools. That's how we're going to have a bigger impact. Training people to coach so we can help more students, more parents and more families. So it's really cool looking back from August 2019 to where we are now. It's so exciting. And we've got the whiteboard back out to take us forward for the rest of 2020.